How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get hollow cheeks, the ultimate tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how to get hollow cheeks? To get hollow cheeks, you have to be at a pretty low body fat percentage, about 10 to 12% body fat. So if you don't have hollow cheeks, you want to get them, you need to lose weight. We lose weight by eating in a caloric deficit. So most guys need about 2,500 calories to maintain their weight. To get hollow cheeks, you're gonna have to eat 2,000 calories. So you'll have to be in about a 500 calorie deficit. This way you'll lose about a pound a week of fat. Depending on how much fat you have to lose to get to about 10 or 12% body fat, it could take you a month, 2-3 months. It depends on how much you weigh. Everyone's gonna be a little bit different. But that is how you get hollow cheeks. You just basically get to a low enough body fat percentage. Because eventually, the reason why you don't have hollow cheeks, you guys, is because there's too much fat in your face. So by losing weight, eventually the fat does come off the face. I know a lot of people will say, well, I can't get it off my face. It could be a stubborn body part, which is fine. That does happen. But eventually, as you lose weight, eventually the stubborn body fats, they do come off. To lose weight easily or easier, in my opinion, try to eat whole foods. Try not to do processed foods. I know a lot of people do calories in, calories out. So they'll hit their calorie goal for the day, like 2,000, for example, but they'll eat pretty bad foods. This is not good long-term, because by eating bad foods on a calorie deficit, you're probably not getting the right macronutrients and the right micronutrients. So it's good to eat healthy foods, you guys, whole foods, not processed foods, a lot of veggies and fruits. That's how you get hollow cheeks, you guys. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching.